Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to navigate the My Challenges page. The first thing you'll want to do is select the mission that you would like to look at. Once you've selected your mission, you are able to view and edit any of the challenges within that mission. You can preview your challenges by selecting them on the left and viewing the challenge info on the right. On this page, you are able to publish and unpublish your challenges instantly. If a challenge is published, it will appear in the mission on the app. If a challenge is not published, it will not appear in the mission on the app. If a challenge is unpublished, you are still able to edit the location by selecting the More Actions button and changing its location. You can click and drag to move your challenge icon to wherever you'd like it to be. Additionally, you are able to edit any of the challenge info by selecting the Edit icon next to your desired challenge. By selecting the Edit icon, you will be redirected to the Challenge Overview page. And that is how you navigate the My Challenges page. You can find more tutorial videos like this one on our YouTube page.